Hey guys, this is Khan back for a reaction video for the longest time again. It's just me today, and it's so exciting because B.A.P has released its newest music video with rain sound. I saw the teaser a couple days ago, and I'm like really excited to see this music video because I don't know, the intro to it's really cool with the guitar and stuff, and it's like, ooh, I can't wait to see it. And plus, it is released on my birthday. I'm turning 21, so I'm really happy for that. So, let's get to that right now. As my internet decides to load this thing. And excuse me for the way I look. I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. Alright, hold on. Let me widescreen this in HD. And let's go. All right. Ooh. Oh. Ah, dang it. Oh,
사랑을 이별에 못 닫힌 밖에 잊어버린 비바람이 불자 새벽에 듣는 라디오 소리엔 익숙한 음악들 네 생각나기엔 딱 좋아 비어있는 커피잔 두 개 네가 없는 자리는 외로움 같아 두네 혼자 길거리를 걷다 찾아가는 카페 영화관을 본다 나조차 좋게 잠기는 영국가 이 날씨 온기 스치는 바람 같이 기록이 나가 그저 지나간 룩백 필름처럼 잊혀질 사람 아직도 널 그리워하다는 잠이 들어 비 내리는 밤
Oh gosh! Yeah! Ooh. Oh. Oh, they gun. Their eye makeup is a lot heavier than previous music videos. Ooh. 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 Oh, 힘찬. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yellow. I'm still calling him Zelo. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, he looks a lot different. I couldn't recognize him at first. Ooh. Oh, Jungkook looks good too. I'm getting used to their names, I think. If I'm getting someone wrong, I'm so sorry. Oh, and white. I'm forgetting to mention a member. My memory is faded. Their eye makeup looks really good. They're sharp. Gives them that intense look. It's so green. I wonder why green exactly. I like the play on playing colors. Oh wow, that's kind of creepy. Oh my god, what was that? He could just shit. What is this? They're getting shot. Oh my god, what? Woo! Oh my god, don't die. This is terrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is heartbreaking. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know about drenched in green and red at the same time. It's like Christmas, but very, you know, depressing. Oh, yellow Zelo. Oh. I like that effect at the end. Oh wow. How everything's exploding. They're just staying still like, oh, I'm cool, we're cool, and stuff. Wow, that, I want to, you know more about this song, because I really like the vibe of it. Very, you know, it has that, you know, that sad, depressing part, but it's interesting that it doesn't, like, literally make you cry or depressing or whatever. But, that is really good. Like I said, I'm going to find more about this song, and I heard that this is not their official title comeback. This is just like a mini little music video, and I think their main comeback will be in February sometime, I've heard. So, I really liked it. Yellow, Zelo. I'm so used to calling him Zelo. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I know I'm not pronouncing names or anything. And am I, like, forgetting anyone that I've mentioned? Like, okay, you got Jonghyuk, you got Zelo, Yellow, Bang Yong-guk, and Him-chan, Daehyun. Is that it? There's 6 of them. Am I forgetting someone? I'm forgetting someone. I'm sorry. I'm not, like, you know, a baby. So, I'm sorry that I'm not... me and my head. But yeah, that's really good. Happy that that did release on my birthday, officially in Korea now, but like, you know, tomorrow will be my birthday and stuff. So yay, I'm turning 21 if I haven't said that already. But I love you guys. I will definitely be more active here on YouTube because lots of comebacks early this year, like New East. Can't wait for newest, and a bunch of others, and ooh, love it, love it, love it. All right, well, if you haven't subscribed to me on YouTube yet, subscribe to me on the bottom right here for more K-pop reaction videos and lots of other interesting stuff to follow me for. Follow me on Twitter at Khannie. Follow me on Tumblr. I've changed my Tumblr name to Jong Royal. That is JJONG Royal.tumblr.com. And I've changed my Instagram name. It is now at Shaul Khannie as well. So follow me, guys, and I hope to be back here soon, right? Bye!